What's up, queens? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's good? So happy Main Monday, ladies. So today I'm going to be doing some Bantu knots on my hair. However, I'm going to be doing it the quick and easy way since I didn't have a lot of time and it was late. I will be using SIM leave-in conditioner, Jamaican black castor oil, some curling cream by African Pride, and Wetline Extreme Gel. So basically, I'm just gonna apply the products as I would for almost any styling process. Leave-in conditioner first, making sure that I massage that into my scalp, stimulating my hair follicles and my scalp for growth. For those of you who are not new to my channel, you know that this is my favorite part of the process, just making sure that I'm massaging my scalp. Next, I'm just going to apply the oil that I'll be using today. I'm using the lock method, so leave-in, oil, and then cream. Just making sure that I'm thoroughly working the oil through all of my hair. So as you can see, I started by wanting to part my entire head just to section it off so that I can do my knots, and then I gave up. So this is why I'm calling it a quick and easy Bantu knot out, because I did not section my hair, which I definitely suggest that you do. When you don't section your hair, it's just a little harder. You end up doing bigger sections and then you don't get as much definition. So recommending it for you guys. However, I did not feel like doing all that. It was later in the day and I was just really trying to get done. So I'm just going to add some more water to my hair just because it started to get a little dry. Just adding water, then obviously the cream and gel. Basically how I would do a twist out. If you haven't seen my twist out video, I'll be sure to link it up above. But I just work the cream through first and then work the gel through. After that, obviously you'll want to just make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled and ready to twist. Now I do recommend using a thin brush for this style just to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled and you can get as close to your scalp as possible. So now I'm just going to 2-strand twist this hair, this section. And once I'm finished, then I'll show you all how to just kind of wrap the hair around itself to make a ball. Again, I do not suggest not parting your hair because it won't give as much definition, but you'll still get some curl out of it. And as you can see, that section was way too big. Like, the section I did should have technically been like 4. So now I'm just going to circle the hair and wrap it around itself to make a little knot. I'm basically going to do that over my entire head. Again, it looks crazy, but it didn't look bad when I took my hair down, but I would suggest doing smaller sections. I will say the most time that this takes is detangling your hair if you don't section it off first and detangle it. I spent a lot of time just trying to make sure my hair was thoroughly detangled. Alright, so I just wanted to give you all a closer look since I was at the front of my hair now. So I'm just applying the cream. I'm going to follow up with the gel. Trying to work the product through my hair as much as possible. So I'm just showing you kind of how my hair looks without any type of manipulation, no type of twist or knot or anything like that. So after I 2-strand twist my hair, I'm just circling it around itself to make a ball. I'm going to tuck that in underneath. When done correctly by sectioning your hair, this process normally takes probably about an hour. It took me probably about 30 minutes from start to finish. And that's all there is to it, basically. Just gonna finish up the rest of my hair and show you the results. Alright, so here's my hair after letting my knots dry for about 72 hours. I just wore a scarf those 3 days. As you can see, I definitely have some curl definition. It came out a lot better than I expected it to, just because I did not section my hair to begin with. But there was still a ton of curl definition, and it looked like I had a full head of knots. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you on the next Main Monday.